Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at one of the fastest and most reliable microSD cards you can buy, the SanDisk 1TB Extreme MicroSD XC UHSI memory card. If you're using devices like smartphones, drones, action cameras, or gaming consoles and need massive storage with high speed, this card is definitely worth checking out. Let's start with the storage capacity. This card offers a huge 1 TB of storage, which means you can store thousands of photos, hours of 4K videos, and large mobile apps without worrying about running out of space. Now let's talk about speed performance, because that's where this card really shines. The SanDisk Extreme MicroSD card supports read speeds up to 190 MB per second and write speeds up to 130 MB per second, allowing extremely fast file transfers and smooth recording. This makes it perfect for devices that require high-speed storage like 4K and even 5K video recording. Another important feature is its speed classification ratings. This card comes with Class 10, UHS Speed Class 3, U3, Video Speed Class V30, A2 App Performance. These ratings guarantee a minimum sustained write speed of 30 MB per second, which is essential for stable high-resolution video recording. The A2 performance rating also allows faster app loading and smoother performance on Android smartphones or tablets that support running apps directly from the microSD card. Another great advantage is durability. This card is designed for extreme environments and is waterproof, temperature-proof, shock-proof, X-ray proof. So whether you're using it in a drone, GoPro, smartphone, or camera during travel and outdoor adventures, your data stays protected. Pause for a second. If you enjoy discovering useful tech accessories like this one, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And finally, the card includes a microSD to SD adapter, which means you can easily use it with cameras, laptops, and card readers that require a full-size SD card. So overall, the SanDisk 1TB Extreme MicroSD XC card is an excellent choice if you want huge storage capacity, ultra-fast speeds, and reliable durability for modern devices.